Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am searching for my Crissy and Velvet and their whole family. I have quite a few of the dolls from their family. However, I do not know where. And I want to get them out because Carrie from Inkpad's Playpen and I are doing a collab inviting you to join us in this challenge on May 15th. Boy, that's coming fast, fast, fast. To show your Crissy family any of the dolls at all. I have a funny story about the Crissy baby. I was going to get one and I had seen one. Where are those dolls? Where are they? I think they're in my closet. My bedroom closet. I was going to get a baby, and she had sat at a, there's Velvet. She's ready for the collab. I had seen this baby at an antique store. I was going to get her. We went back far, and I had seen her and seen her and seen her, and she was gone. Thank you for watching. I do hope you'll join us. Drop by Carrie's today. She has a video too of invitation, and you can see what she's showing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and Darren and I are live on Thursday nights on YouTube at 6 p.m. Central. I do hope you'll join us.